all the way to 72. That is a tour of the Quran, and I want to conclude this tour of the Quran, or a journey from the ocean of the Quran, pearls from the ocean, the pearls of the Quran about Jesus Christ. Brothers, if you create a clip, please take this line. From the ocean of the Quran, from the ocean of the Quran, the pearls about Jesus Christ and his mother, Mary, peace be upon them both, peace and blessings of God be upon them both. And the last reminder that God has, not just for one prophet, for every prophet and their followers. Same message that was in the 10 Commandments. Thou shalt not make any partners of me. Thou shalt not have other gods beside me. Different words. God is one. Do not make his images. No partners of him. That God, same God, Allah, who is called Allah in the Arabic Bible. I have it. If someone needs it, I can